Good night, YouTube. One love, one love. Bless up everybody. Big up all of my fans, them, you know what I mean? And this is Ayze, the girls them wanna know the baby, and I got the girls them get crazy, you know what I'm saying? Get familiar with the name. You know what I mean I say? Yeah, so if you guys new over here, just subscribe. There's gonna be a lot of videos, you know what I'm saying? A lot of things going on. Yeah, for real. So I did a video today. I was shouting out to Vibes Cartel. You can check that video out as well and share that video as well. You know what I mean? So tonight what we want to talk about now is a deacon brother in a Jamaica where kill his daughter and commit suicide. You see me I say? Well, I'm a spiritual man still. You see me I say? Grew up in a church, but me not really go to church anymore because to me see church set is not church was there to um control people and stuff like that. But anyway, me soon touch that part there. Yeah, what more I say now? First, I'm start it out like this. Well, there was a deacon, a 7-day Adventist. You see me I say? And when me hear say 7-day Adventist, me feel bad because that church them I grew up in. I born and grew in a 7-day Adventist. You see me I say? My mother a Christian. Big up Sislin. You don't know anything said. Mommy a real Christian up till today day. You see me I say? My daddy now him come out of church long time. Because daddy a Rasta. I have a Rasta heart. You see me I say? So you don't know anything said. So I end the day, my mother still a Christian. And if me call my mother right now, if me take up my phone and call my mother right now and go tell me say me fi go to church. And make sure you them a go to church. You see me I say we grew up in a church and thing. And remember one time me hear one pastor preach and he must say a lot of things go start in a church. But a lot of things when they go on already, when they go on before we see it in a church. Still, you see me I say so make me correct that theme. You see me I say. So at the end of the day, this brother you know, him having daughter and daughter 20 something year old. A big woman that. You see me I say? But at the end of the day, as what me say, church was created to control the slave them back in the days. And that then I saw them come up with church, you know, for control the slave. For get them weak and put fear in them so that then they now go fight back. When the wicked come and fight, you now go fight back and you say, yo, you don't want to do nothing wicked and go to hell and them kind of thing. So it put a fear in your way, make you weak. You see me I say? And that is why a lot of black people go down the drain. And that is why black people was in slavery so long. You see me I say? And then use the church to control her. You see me I say? Well, I now say church is a bad thing still. But based on the doctrine them what them preach, it make you weak. You see me I say? It make you weak. And since me top go to church, me realize that when me study more and more and me I see, I learn the truth and me I see say all of these systems were created to keep black people in a slavery and poverty. You see me I say? And try to say black man an animal. You see me I say that is what them say. You know what I mean? Just like how you have one donkey and you load him up with some load and in carry go where you want to go. And so then we want to have black people forever. But right now still, right now, a modern technology slavery are going. But me soon touch the part that too again. You see me I say, well this a deacon brother you know. You see me I say, him having daughter. You see me I say, and him daughter having boyfriend and he go kill the girl. And then no, you know want to go to prison, go face in penalty now. He kill himself. You see me I say, and he say I'm a Christian. He say I'm a Adventist. And I any idea then say Adventist are best church. You see me I say, but I any idea all church is the same. You see me I say, all church are the same. They don't go just give a different name and have different kind of doctrine and stuff. But I said procedure. I said thing I go after. You see me I deal with. So I any idea now. His brother now go kill him daughter star and kill himself. You see me? A wicked blood clot man that. Wicked man. That a wicked man. You see me I say? Yeah. A demons that. But I any idea. Doctrine them what them preach also help lead up to that. Probably a pastor with there listening to my live and now and him must say I'm talking crap on me, Satan or whatever. The doctrine them what them a preach. You see me I say? Doctrine them what them a preach lead up to all of them the kind of crazy thing there, because when you go tell a man say him have to married before you have sex, that a foolishness. That a straight up and down foolishness, because I an idea. Suppose and then the Bible tell us to take a woman and call her a wife. You see my idea with? So I an idea now. When you check it out, see, when you check it out, you know, you can book a woman and the woman a eunuch, brethren. You see me I say? You don't know what is a eunuch? Well, if you don't know what is a eunuch, you can ask me question in the comment section and I can tell you what is a eunuch. Well, a eunuch is a woman when you have no part right there so no form of sexual activity. That's my answer. So I an idea. You go marry that woman then now and you get a eunuch. That's my answer. And your name no. I an idea when time a day come and woman and tell us say yo, we can't do that because me not have that the part there. You see me I say, you go mad and pissed off. You see me? Probably I'll beat out you man out the house and run him away. And then Babylon can lock up you. You see me I say, so I an idea. When you check it out. See, when you check it out. The doctrine them what them a preach. You see me I say, cause he put a thing in a man where he must say no, in daughter can't have a boyfriend cause and a 20-year-old girl. My daughter reach 20 and I can't tell him say he can't deal with that. But right now she a 16 and she have to know what she a deal with. I can't go let her out to man and them thing there. You see me I say, but my daughter reach 20 there now. A big woman that. You see me I say? So I can't go vex when I see a big woman have a boyfriend and them thing there. That a crap. You see me I say, and the man go kill him daughter for that brethren. And then he kill himself. You see me I say? So, them thing there, you see me I say, is like a mental slave upon him. You see me I say? Mental slave. Because doctrine what them give them and what them believe in. Force him to do all of that, you know. You see me I deal with that force him to do all of that, the thing they want to do this. So. You see me I say? A Mandeville one good era, Manchester. Enough Adventist church did it too. You see me I say? Big up Alric, Alric live at them place there. And them man they are big man in a Adventist church. Big up yourself, my brother. But I don't know. I'm not really church man still, but everything good. Everybody have their own belief. You see me I say? Man I stay spiritual. You see me I say? Cause you see, when you check it out, you know, you have religion. I always tell people say religion mean division. You see me I say? And from slavery come and then use slavery. That I first division what we get, you know. Then divide up with family. Cause when them grab slave, you know, your picnic gone east, west, north, south, your wife gone there, so you see me I say, you gone there, so you is not come like it's nothing now, and then use that. That then use and play upon with mental part away, you know, and get you weak, you know. Cause you sit down, you know. You imagine you have your picnic them. You see me I say you have your picnic them, your wife, or you wake up every day Just like how me and my little youth, them all my little 3-year-old baby I know. You see me I say, I wake up every day and make me right now my baby no want sleep in her crib. I fight for sleep in between me and my wife. You see me I say, and she a 3-year-old. You see me I say, so imagine now a man come now come take away me youth them like a some dog puppy and issue them out all about. You see me I say, that's why you know even when me there Jamaica and me have my dog, you know, and he a puppy. Me no like give away puppy them when they liquor. Me like make them wait liquor first till them get big like. You see me I say, yeah, that's they know. Cause we have a dog at Jamaica and have some whole heap of puppy and we give away them and keep one. And at the end of the day, when they get big, we give them away. And one of them give to somebody in our neighborhood. And when he ready, he come up our yard, come check his mother and check his brother. You see me I say? And then he gone back in yard. You see me I deal with, so at the end of the day, up to a dog, brethren, me no like them thing that happen to. You see me I say? So imagine if you now get up today now a man just come invade your blood clot house and take away your picnic them and your woman and yourself and send gone at that part of the world, that part of the world, that part of the world, east, west, north and south. Everybody get cheer up. And you can't see your family again. You know what going to happen to you? First thing that strike by your mental part of you, you know. Right now you're stressed out, you know. You start get weak, you know. You're not even remember say you have to fight, you know. To find back your people them, you know. The way you get weak, you know. And that then do it. Back in a slavery. That then do it, bridging. You see me I say? And then now, that are the first division. First division what they make. You see me I say? And then now when they have a slave them now on the plantation, they realize say, because I know say black people have group up and have fun. You see me I say enjoy themselves. So then come up with church now. Because black people praise God, you know. So then come up with church. Say, yo, make we build a church. And then they have this a name, that a name of church. And then it calls one another division again. Because right now in a Christianity, you have whole heap of church. Adventist, Open Bible, Pentecost, Apostolic, all kind of church, brethren. I remember me tell you, the people them war, literally war. You see me I say, excuse me. Hello? No. What happened? Which part there? Eh? So you didn't say I go up to school. So you call them? Alright, me depend my live right now. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. So now, yeah, so you have all of them in the church they know and an idea. Everybody not like each other. Cause I remember when I go to church, if I want go to my friend's Sunday church, then tell me say, I not to go because and a Satan church, them a whole heap of foolishness. You see me, and I say, but me as a man always go to different church them. You see me, I say, cause me is a vibes man, you know, and Adventists they don't play drum unless if a concert, they don't really play drum and happy up in their sermon and thing. You know, but you see, like the apostolic church, them and some of them church they are them play drum. You see me, I say music and sing and you see me I say and a whole of nice vibes because I don't know say man an artist, you know, a dance all me thing there and you don't know say dance all and reggae music a live drum and band. You see me I say so me have friend where they go all of them church there and all me go. and go hold her vibes with them. You see me I say? And my mother would there tell me, say, yo, I'm not go to them church there and them thing. But I had an idea. And that's what I learned, say, yo, religion bring division. You see me I say? Religion, that's why me as a man, me just keep spiritual. You see me I say? Yeah, so I had an idea. No doctrine or nothing can make me act certain way that's me go kill me picnic and kill myself. You see me I deal with? Yeah, so I didn't think that. And another thing again, you check it out. We go switch the conversation now. We'll switch the conversation. Another thing again now. Slavery not done. And some people don't like you when me talk about slavery, but slavery not done. You see me I say? A modern technology slavery right now. You understand? Modern technology slavery. I go on right now. You see me I say? So I end idea. You see me? Remember, you know, back in the days in slavery, you know, man take you and just chain up you, whip you, beat you, send you go work. You see me I say, all one give little food. And the little food one give rare part of food. Like, say them kill a cow or a hog or a goat. Them a give you belly. And them eating meat and everything. I organic cow belly them feed upon with potato and them something. Flour and them something. You see me I say? So I an idea. You not get no good food neither. You understand? But you get a little food, and if you do not out that way, they'll punish you for your food. You see me I say some wickedness. You see me I say, so an idea now. When man a ball for freedom now and they say, alright, I'll give them little freedom. But an idea them I say, yo, what business I go get? Fuck. Who go cook for you, who go wash you, who go clean for you? You see me I say, who go make with money? Who go make with money for you? You see me I say, so an idea now them I say, blood clot. You can't do this, you know. So you the style fuck of them. Or style pussy them. So an idea now. You go so boom now. You see me I say, alright. We are going to create some law. A free one. But we don't have to govern under law. Because we're not dangerous people, you know. We don't have to govern under law. So we'll make some law. If you don't break the law, we put you back in a slavery legally. And you have to sign yourself over back in a slavery. You see me I say? So you know, say glad no one I say, yeah man, cause me not gonna do nothing. But I an idea law them what them put. It's difficult for you to live around them. You see me I say? It's difficult for you to live around them, you know, cause over here, all of this a country, you know, my youth. You have some land. You all have one land named aggravated assault, you know. When like if you all talk to a hard past somebody, you know. You know how black people talk hard more while. You see me I say? I like them I use the word as a so powerful word. And them make law upon that aggravated assault. You aggravate the man. You aggravate and assault the man. Go in a jail for that. You see me I say? A slavery you gone in, you know. Once your blood clot go to jail, you know, bridging. Slavery, you know. Because them a give you work for doing, you know. You not get no pay, you know. You see me I say? You not get no pay. You see me I deal with? So I said. So I an idea. When you check it out now. So when you check it out, slavery not done. You understand? And then I an idea. Remember say, you know, in a slavery, you know, you not have no money, you know. You not have nothing, you know. Some people go like say, I they chat foolishness, you know. But I don't know foolishness. I want to see where me I come from and where me I go with the conversation. You see me I say, because knowledge me I spit, you know. You see, for me having knowledge, me I have to spit it to make the people them know. You see me I say, remember saying a slavery, you don't have nothing. You understand what I say? You don't have nothing. You just get up. You have to wake up early out of your blood clot bed. Them, if you all drop asleep and all asleep too late, then go there control and bucket of water upon you and wake up your blood clot. If you go in a plantation, I go, whosoever can make this and make that. You see me I say, a black man make it first, I want a slave make it first blood clot carry, you know. Food, you know. And the blood clot. Food was the first car make food. You see me I say, and the white man put his name on it. I say, yo, and him name food. You see me I deal with. So I saw a thing say, even heart surgery, I want black man first do a heart surgery. And then I had an idea. The white brother know him where they are college. But him never certified as a doctor. You see me I say, and you know what I do? Somebody will need a heart surgery, you know, and he carry him to a black man. The black man never go on college or nothing. He carry him to a black man, you know, and the black man say, yo, me can fix him, you know. And then basement he fix him, man, you know. Walk him up him, man, and fix him, man, you know. You see me I say, and he fix him, man. The white man put it on his name. Put his name on it. Say him blood clot do his surgery. It's a black man, dog. You see me I deal with? So I saw a thing set. So I had an idea. I saw slavery go come down till today day. You see, you understand what I say? So I had an idea, you don't have nothing. And if you check it out, you work, you get up every day, go work, because you want blood clot, have a mansion, you want to have your car, you want to have property, you want everything. But you can't have it. It will take you with a bill. Enough people at Jamaica are bill, you know. And you see, America and foreign country, different strategy them deal. You will want build your house. And in a day, you build a one room. And probably take you 3 to 5 years if you add on one more room. And so I say that's all. Moras I grow up on your house. Plywood house, they rotten down and you know put on the other room yet. Where you look upon that? That's a straight slavery, bridging. Because an idea is just why they work is just to eat and your youth them go to school or whatsoever. You see me I say you can't even buy a good shoes and a good suit of clothes, dog. So an idea, I said way back in a slavery, people then give you any little thing to put on. Probably also tear up, wash out clothes that they don't want, then give you to put on. You see me I say, and give you food that they don't want for name. And you have to go blood clot work. You see me I say, so I saw it come down till now. So I an idea now, they want to modernize it. You see me I say, they modernize it and I an idea. You dey work harder, you can't even buy a good car, you can't buy a house, you can't build a house. You dey try build a house all in a 10, 20 blood clot years. You see me I say? Now do something right here, bro. In a 10, 20 years and you can't build a house. You dey build a house. You build your house and an idea. You see an idea? You build a house and an idea. Yeah. I'm sorry? You don't cry at school anymore? Okay, that's good. You're a big girl.
I keep like this at school.
Huh?
I just keep like this at school.
Come here. Come tell the people them hi.
Hi.
My little 3-year-old baby just started going to school, you know. She was saying that she ain't crying to school, you know. So my daughter beautiful. Yeah, man, daddy love the baby, yeah.
I got boys.
Tell him some Spanish. She said she want to learn Spanish. That's what I say. All right. Say hi. Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Go on later. Yeah, man.
Dad, I don't cry anymore.
Yeah, don't cry anymore. It's just school is happy. Be happy place, fun. You learn. And when you learn,
Not play there.
yeah, when you learn, the more you learn, the richer you be.
Yeah.
So you don't cry. You have fun at school, okay?
I will play at school. I fail now.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna play at my school.
Yeah. Oh, you scrape your leg? Oh, hush. Go and get my mommy fix it for you, okay? Yeah.
But my knee is gone.
Oh, no, man, your knee okay. It's just a little scratch. Go and make your mommy fix it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, man. So I had an idea. Now. Back to what I say. Back to what me I say now. You see any idea? Damn. So I'm just getting on my eye today. Kinda catch me, but I'm sorry about that stuff. An idea still. It's still in a slavery. Modern technology slavery. You see me I say? Cause when you check it out, you ever hear talk or we have a Jamaica say hand to mouth. You see me I say? Right now my brethren call me and I say, Adi, you know say 1 man, 3 youth. They share 1 Guineas at Jamaica right now. When me hear me couldn't believe. 3 youth. They share 1 Guineas. You see me I deal with and Jamaica Guineas, like a regular Guineas. They don't have a big buckle like what we have America. How much ounce they on the Guineas over here? 20 ounce? Take out that Heineken in the fridge and let me see how much they on it. Look on the Heineken in the fridge and tell me how much in it. Because Guineas them I said size. You said size. How much ounce they on it? How much what amount in it?
24 ounces.
Yeah, 24 ounce. So that are the big, you see regular how much again? Regular with about probably like a buckle of water regular Guinness order probably about 500 milliliter. You see me I say? You see me I say? Give me in a liter upon the buckle in the fridge.
No, Daddy,
You see me I say?
elephant's here.
How much liter the pan that? Or milliliter or something like that?
I don't know. This is
Daddy, it's elephants for
Oh,
the
you just say
Jamaican
ounce?
elephant for
Yeah.
this cat baby shower.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make one for Sammy birthday party.
Alright. Go on to mommy. I'll talk to you when I finish, okay? Okay?
Jojo. I didn't do the video now.
Yeah, so you see that buckle of water, you know, say regular Guineas at Jamaica with one little size like this. This are 500 milliliter. You see me I say? 5 point. This are 16.9 ounce. 16.9 ounce. That would the size Guineas at Jamaica, what Jamaica sell. Like a regular Guineas. And them sell. America now, they have a bigger buckle. But what they do America now, they dilute the Guineas so it weak. You see me I say? But right now at Jamaica, in a garrison, one of this. A Guineas of this. A Guineas. This amount. A Guineas. 3 man I share that. So what that I tell you? That I tell you say, straight. Nothing. You gone to nothing. You understand what I deal with? Straight gone to nothing. So in idea, remember in a slavery, you not have, you can't go get nothing if you go buy a no shop or nothing like that. You don't go just have your work. You see me I say, but then you see true man I get more wiser and wiser and them thing they are plan to overthrow them and things. Then say oh give a deal, but they modernize the slavery, That they do, they modernize the slavery. So I an idea now. Then say, hey, excuse me. I'm doing something here. I'm not going inside with enough nice. Yeah, so I an idea now. They modernize the slavery, so you they work, but you not swear you work for. It's just for food. Just like when in slavery, you just food you get. You see me? Now your work is just you buy a little food, pay your rent, pay your bills. And when by the time you pay all your bills, it done. Make you lose your work and see what happens. You can't pay your bills. You see me? I say that's why in America, yeah, enough homeless people there. You see me, I say, I do a video where I say, some man live in a hotel and then they do video and a show off and thing. My youth, alright, my teacher thing. So when you have a house, alright, then give a house to pay Margaret 30 years. You see me, I deal with 30 years. So you still not own the house till 30 years. Or if you have the money or hustle and pay off it in a 15 or 20 years. That's what I deal with. So I an idea now. When you're in a rent house, apartment, hotel, you come like you not have nothing. Because I an idea if 2 months blood clean come and you can't pay rent. Or you might give them a talk and say, yo, give me till next month or next week. They might give some place give a chance and some will dash out your blood clot. And when they dash you out, they put eviction for your name. So nobody else now rent you no way. Nobody else can say you cannot pay rent. You have an eviction. They not rent you no way. So you see if you know nobody else to go catch and that bridge you have to go beat that blood clot. Remember me tell you. So what you call that? What you call that? Because remember saying people them take away whole island, you know. You see me I say? And then them build up the apartment, them and the rent house, them and rent you. So you don't have nothing. You see me I say? And then now when them build up a section, them put them Walmart, them put them McDonald's, them put them Burger King, Jack in the Box, and them put all of them in the restaurant there. And then every time them have deal. You can get 4 for $4. You see me I say? Remember say $4 US, you know, a $500 Jamaican. You know? And then get some little beanie burger and some thing 4 that for $5 or so. Or $4. And then you see me I say? And then in a day. You run the broke your blood clean, it go spend off it. What of your money today? They have all sitting myself with $1. So you pass your hungry have $1 and you can run go tap and buy. You see me? So in idea them set it up where you don't own nothing. And food you can't plant nothing out the door. Pan concrete or in a people apartment. So you have to run go buy them food. Every food you have to go buy. So why you say that? Slavery. Because you don't have no land. Slavery. And take away every land for you. You see me I say? And sometimes you go to the store. They might call all police for you. So you go use the restroom and you buy nothing. You understand what I deal with? So look into it. You see me I say? We have to get wise, Bridget. We have to get wise. You see me I say? And know what we are do. And know how we are spend our money. You see me I say? We have to know how we are spend our money. Else we not go have nothing. We not go come out of slavery. You see me I say? And I see all the Chinese them take over Jamaica and everybody a buy them place. If everybody will stay like me at Jamaica and China, them would have to run with. Because I'm not buying nothing. You see me I deal with? And the land there at Jamaica can farm and the young youth them don't want to do nothing and lazy. You see me I say? So them are bury themselves more in a slavery. And the people them busy for keep you in a slavery and for colonize your land. And you not see that. You not see that. You see me I say them take gun and go no and when you go use it kill your own black brother. You not see that. You not for weapon on the eye and wise as black people, brethren. You see me I deal with that for wise. You see me I say I don't know if you pray if you go to motherland, Africa. No if you pray if you go to motherland. Go look. Or go see if you don't love it or see if you don't want to stay there. Everything there motherland, you know. Right now, every country, you know, want to go to Africa, you know. Want to get some of the richness of Africa, you know, right now, you know. You see me I say? And I in idea, Jamaica is just one liquor dot on the globe. So I in idea, if you know, say, China and white and Indian take you over. You take away on yourself and go to motherland, Africa and them places. You see me I say? And go live again. You see me I deal with? Yeah man, so the video run out. I run out you know. You see me I deal with? Me have some more things when I touch, but I think my memory I go run out right now. So I have 2 points for touch, so I'm gonna do it in another video. Okay? Because right now my memory is running out. So bless up to all of my fans and bless up to all of my new subscribers them. And tell a friend to subscribe, you know, and share video. Yeah man, one love. I'm out.